the acid test of the administration's coalition's strength or favorability to win majority of the 12 vacated seats in the Senate for the 20th Congress. Davao del Norte could be hostile territory, but campaign manager Toby Chango exudes confidence and believes otherwise, as our Meladas Moras reports.
After strong launches in Luzon and the Visayas, Alyansa para sa Bagong Pilipinas, the administration-backed powerhouse senatorial slate will be launching its Mindanao campaign tomorrow, February 15, in Carmen, Davao del Norte. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. will lead the event. According to Navotas City Representative Toby Chanco, Alyansa's campaign manager, just like how they supported the president, they believe our Mindanaoan brothers and sisters will back the administration's senatorial candidates. In Davao del Norte alone, around 470,000 out of more than 577,000 voters casted their votes for President Marcos Jr. in the 2022 national elections, which can be considered a landslide victory. In his speech in Iloilo City yesterday, the president emphasized that the future of the Philippines lies in the hands of each and every Filipino. That's why in the upcoming 2025 midterm elections, he stressed the importance of choosing the right candidates.
Dalawa po ang pagpipilian na ngayon natin. Mamimili ba tayo na babalik tayo sa panahon ng lagim o tayo ba ay tutungo patuloy sa ating kinabukasan na maliwanag, na mapayapa at maganda para sa lahat ng Pilipino. Hindi po namimili kung sinong uunahin, hindi po namimili kung sinong sikat, kung sinong mayaman, basta Pilipino, tinutulungan ang Pilipino. Yan po ang panindigan po ng Alyansa.
Among the Alyansa para sa Bagong Pilipinas slate are former DILG Secretary Benhur Abalos, Makati City Mayor Abby Binay, Senator Bong Revilla, Senator Pia Cayetano, former Senator Ping Lacson, Senator Lito Lapid, Senator Amy Marcos, former Senator Manny Pacquiao, former Senator Tito Soto, Senator Francis Tolentino, House Deputy Majority Leader Erwin Tulfo, and House Deputy Speaker Camille Villar. The president said it's not just about promises, as the administration's candidates have already accomplished a lot, which is why they deserve the public support.
They are not here to oppose. They are here to propose. Ibig sabihin po, hindi sila nandito upang makapagdebate lamang, upang paninira lamang. Sila ay nandito upang maghanap ng mga bagong paraan para tulungan ang ating mga kababayan.
After Davao del Norte, the Alyansa para sa Bagong Pilipinas will hold its next campaign rally in Pasay City next week, marking the start of their NCR campaign leg. From PTV, Meladas Moras, Balitang Pambansa.